Okay, we're getting the Lifeway version of Nothing But the Blood. And the intro is E flat, C minor 7, D flat, and A flat. So the D flat, we're in the key of E flat, is what the sheet music tells us. So the D flat's actually not in the scale. So we kind of throw out some of the regular theory rules here. But we do, the E flat that we start with, root position is E flat, G, B flat. So we're actually going to move that up, put the E flat up here on top, and have this first inversion chord. So E flat with a single E flat in the bass. I'm going to jump down to this lower octave E flat to give me a and. So that takes me to E flat. Okay, now that's C minor 7. We get our rule that we talk about, the whole 6/1 principle, or 1/6 rather principle, which in E flat we get 1, 2, 3, half step to the 4, 5, right? 6, which is C. So that same rule applies that we talk about. So C minor is the 6 in the key of E flat. So we end up with, I'm able to just stay on this E flat for this E flat first inversion chord for the first two chords for E flat and C minor 7. So it's like, yeah. So that gets us through the first two chords, and then we just go to a D flat root position, which is D flat, F, and A flat. Then we're going to go to an A flat second inversion. Root position's right here, A flat, C, E flat. So I'm going to take this A flat and move it up to the top. Take my C, my E flat, but that's just easy to get to straight from the D flat. My finger right here is already on A flat. It stays. I move these two, and I got it. So it's like this. So it's like intro, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going. So I play that through twice. And we'll just play some of those inversion chords, which are easy stuff, through the verse and through the chorus. The instrumental comes back around. We play it again. Couple times we go back to verse 2, chorus 2, instrumental, we play the exact same thing again. Verse 3, we play through that, and then instrumental 4, it modulates up a whole step. So the first part of that instrumental is the same: E flat, C minor 7, D flat, A flat. So the same old thing. Then it modulates up. We're going to actually move down a little bit in register on the keyboard to the F right here in a root position. So it's the same kind of principle applies, because everything just moved up from E flat to F. So I'm going to play a F root position, F, A, C. Then for the D minor 7, I'm going to be playing, just moving up to a D in my left hand, keeping the F, A, C in my right hand, which is a D minor 7. Same principle as before when we done E flat to C. Now it's F to D. So the first part of that is, then the same E flat first inversion chord that we used, and we finish up on a B flat second inversion chord, F, B flat, D. So that instrumental would go like this. The first half would be the E flat, C minor 7, D flat, A flat. The second half of that instrumental would be F, D minor 7, E flat, B flat. So the first half is the same one we've been doing the whole song. Then we go F, E flat, B flat, land on my F for the verse. We play through those chords for the verse 4 and chorus 4. Then our outro is that last one done twice. F, D minor 7, E flat, B flat. Same exact thing. And that's the whole song.